Hey y'all, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here. In this video, I am giving you guys an updated comprehensive tour of my 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan minivan camper conversion. I have been doing van life for about a year, and I started doing YouTube about 9 months ago, so this is going to be a full tour of my minivan and all of its updates. So let's go! Now in this video, I'm also going to show you guys my kitchen setup outside of the van. So I'm going to set that up, but we will just start in the front and make our way back. So this is the front seat. I travel with my dog, so this is where he sits. And then on my passenger floor here, I keep 6 gallons of water. So these water jugs are from Fry's Marketplace in Arizona, and that's where I store them. It's nice and easy and convenient, and as you can see, they fit perfectly. I also have space to put other things on my floor if I need to. In the door, I keep my rubber mallet, which I use for putting my toilet tent in the ground. And then I also have these mesh window coverings that I use to go over my front passenger side doors. So that's all I keep in the doors and in the front passenger seat area. This hanger organizer is something that's super underrated in my van. I use this every day, multiple times a day. I mostly store Winston's items in it. And I should say that, of course, everything can be found in the description list. Most things in my van are from Amazon. I also have hundreds of videos, so if y'all need a frame of reference, please go back and view my other videos. I have these dual fans, which I do have videos on. I have one on each seat, so one for Winston's side of the van and one for mine. I keep all of my cold food in my Alpacool 20-liter refrigerator, and I actually just did a video on this, so be sure to check that out. For additional electricity, I have this DC inverter that I use, but I have a Jackery 240, which I'll show you on the other side. I use my Jackery power station, but I have this DC inverter which plugs into my 12 volt for additional electricity. The white shelves that you see over there are narrow carts from Amazon. Each one was $20. I have videos about, well, I have videos about everything in my van, you guys, so if there's something that you're super interested in, please, check my channel and peruse, because I have lots of good stuff up. But this is my bed. It sits on a wooden platform that I made myself. Video about it, of course. I have a 3-inch foam pad from Home Depot, and then I have a 4-inch memory foam mattress. So I'm sleeping on 7 inches of comfort, and I do have that orthopedic back pillow, so I keep it right there, or I put it against my driver's seat so I can do all my work and hang out. I did keep one seat up in my van. This is Winston's bed, but I also can sit in it to lounge and get work done. Currently decorated for Halloween. I have magnetic curtains, as you can see, found on Amazon, link in the description. And then I have all my little special hippie things and decor over there that make everything look nice. So really, this is it. I have a very minimalist setup right inside, and we will move to the trunk space. Here is my trunk space. I have these couple of drawer storage units. In the top drawer, I generally keep all my clothes. I have towels in there right now, but like I said, I'm a minimalist, so I don't have much. I keep my clothes in the top drawer. I keep my coffee and my MSR Pocket Rocket stove, collapsible tea kettle, stuff like that that I use every day, utensils. All of that is in the second drawer. And then in the very bottom drawer, I just have a bunch of miscellaneous items, tools, lights, Winston's long line, just a bunch of random things that I need regularly as well. I keep all of my hygiene items in this caddy. It's actually a diaper caddy, but I use it to keep all of my hygiene stuff. I actually just got these rinse-free bath sponges too. I'm going to try those on my next camping trip. All of Winston's stuff typically goes in the top here, and then I put my food in this second drawer, and this bottom drawer I have more kitchen items as well. On the side here I have my collapsible toilet, and then a collapsible aluminum table from Walmart or Amazon. I also have a collapsible sink. I really like this shelf because I can use this as sort of a counter space, if you will, to cook and things like that. This is another view of my van. And then on the side, I have my Reflectix for my other windows, an outdoor rug, and then my 60-watt solar panel that I use in conjunction with my Jackery. So this is what my trunk looks like. I just really love how it's simple and incredibly organized. It is time to hit up the other side. This is a map of all of the states Winston and I have been to together. I fixed the link so you can purchase that on Amazon. And this is what the other side looks like. These are my shelves. Down here is my Jackery 240. Electronics, baby wipes, cords, just all of that stuff that I need on a regular. So I made sure to adhere the shelves together with zip ties, and I use bungee cords and sticky gel pads to keep everything secure, and it has not gone anywhere. This is my collapsible toilet. I'm sure you're surprised. I actually have a video about this, but it folds down completely into this carry case, as you all saw on my trunk. And what I love about it is, although I have a toilet privacy tent, I can also use it right here on the floor space of my van. So if it's raining, if it's late, if it's cold, if it's whatever, I can go ahead and use the toilet right here. I use trash bags with cat litter, and it works out perfectly. All right, as promised, here is my kitchen setup. I have an aluminum table that I actually bought from Quartzsite. So this is the table that I set up if I'm going to be camping somewhere for several days. So I set that up, and then from Bass Pro Shop I just have a basic 2-burner propane stove. So that's what I do all my main cooking on, but I do have my MSR Pocket Rocket backpacking stove that I use to make my coffee. So this is my collapsible sink. You can purchase one at Walmart or on Amazon, with my 3-gallon jug, and then this is my electric water dispenser. Of course, a link on Amazon, and then that's how it works. So you have running water. So that is my extremely minimalist, simple, but absolutely fantastic kitchen setup. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for tuning into this updated tour of my minivan camper. I love it so much, and I've put so much passion into it. So if you enjoyed this video and you found something helpful in my tour, please give me some positive feedback in the comments. I really appreciate it. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time.